Akaza, want to hear a joke? Right now, in the middle of a fight? Just listen. Okay. Your mama is so fat that your dad had to run a marathon just to press her another boob. Isn't it funny? So hey guys, Christian this side. So as you guys know that summer 2021 anime season is coming to an end and it's almost ended. So today I'm gonna give you 5 anime to watch in summer 2021 anime season if you haven't watched it. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the video. So coming at number one is going to be, and before I start, I'm going to tell you that it's not 1 2 3 or categorized as 1 2 3 on not basis of popularity or how good it is. I'm just gonna tell you basic order like 1 2 3. It has nothing to do with like the quality of the anime or like popularity of the anime. It's just basic telling form. So coming at number first is, I hope you have heard of it, Miss Kobayashi Dragon Maid, and it is pretty good. If you haven't watched it, just go watch it first season and then come back to watch the second season. It's wholesome in almost every level, and its animation is pretty good. I would say it's one of the best animation in all of the five. I'm gonna say, or many more. If you haven't watched the spring anime or summer anime, but I'm gonna tell you it has amazing animation because it's good, nothing else to say, and the story is pretty good. If you are looking for a depression cure anime, it is the anime that you want. And when I say depression cure, it doesn't cure depression, it's just relaxing anime. That what I'm trying to say is, so just watch. Character is pretty good and I think you will love the character very much as I do. So yeah, that's for the first part, or the first anime. And coming at number two is Kanojo Kanojo, or Girlfriend Girlfriend, and it's basically a soft hentai, but made for anime. If you guys get that, because it has many lewd scene or ecchi scene, if you say that, as you prefer. Nothing for me to say, but its storyline is good. It's a 12 episode anime like every other anime in the season, but its story is pretty unique because as you guys have watched many romance anime that one girl is going to get rejected and other is going to get accepted, but in this one it's a little bit different because both of them get expected. It's not expected, it's accepted. Sorry for that. Both of them got accepted. Sorry for that. Both of them got dash. I'm not gonna say because I'm gonna say it again and ruin it. So after that, the main focus of the anime is how they bond together, how he works as a two-timer in the anime, and at top of getting to, he has another one, like a third girl for him. And it's pretty good to see the like the love, what do you say, square. And it's pretty good, and the concept is pretty unique, I would say, because we never see two timing in anime, because either if it's a harem anime when all of them get accepted like 4 or 5, or either it's just one, not two girls. Like if you have watched Origami, what I'm trying to say is, or Rascal Don't Deserve Bunny Girl Senpai, something like that. So yeah, I would say definitely worth watching if you haven't watched. And coming at number 3, it's my personal favorite of all, is the time god Irene Candidace's line. And I hope you have watched it. If you haven't watched it, you should just go check out, because it's the second season part 2, and first season was amazing, second season was even better, part 1 and part 2 was even better, because the main focus of the part 2 was the demon lord meeting, in which Rimuru goes for the party of the demon lord, and he officially becomes oh, sorry for telling you the spoiler. Let's just forget about it, but just go and watch the anime if you get the spoiler, but sorry for that. But that's about it for that, because I'm not going to tell you anything, but I'm going to tell you premise of the story. isekai anime, a typical isekai anime, but it's amazing because the main thing is the storyline, because it's directed a pretty good way, and the opening song is amazing for the part 2 as well, so go check that out. So coming at number 4 is going to be a detective is already dead. I know it's one of the hyped part of the one of the hyped anime of this season. I think so because it was a good anime, because it has a pretty good waifu, as you guys say that, and its storyline is good. I'd say it is watchable. It's not pretty amazing that it's going to blow your mind away, but it's watchable if you want to watch anime, if you're looking for watching anime, if you have watched all the anime and you're looking for a good normal anime, not anything above average, not anything below average, just average, I'm gonna definitely suggest you watch Detective is Already Dead, because storyline is pretty basic and the romance part is good, and sometimes it gets above average because there's some scene I'm not gonna tell you, but it's all in all a good anime to watch. If you are looking for a small anime to watch, you just go check that out, and that's it. And coming at number 5 is going to be Battle Game Starts in 5 seconds, and I have already discovered about it in my previous video, but I'm gonna tell you it's one of the greatest anime in the spring. It's one of the best anime in the summer 2021 collection, because it's basically a tournament game. Basically, if you say tournament, if you agree, if you haven't watched, if you watched it, because in this there is nothing but just games, because the name is Battle Game Starts in 5 seconds, and it is pretty unique, I would say, because in this you have to fight with a different type of ability. Everyone got an ability, and I'm not gonna reveal you too much because it's gonna be a spoiler, and it's a short anime like every other in this list, because everything is just 12 episode. So go check it out. I hope you liked it because it is pretty good, and I have also watched it and I have also liked it. That's why it is in this video. And if you have watched other anime and those anime are in this not video, in this particular video, what I'm saying, in this particular video, don't be upset or don't be angry because I haven't watched all of the summer anime because I didn't have time to watch it. I watched some other anime also. That's why I picked these 5, because I think these are the good ones. And I know there are some other good anime as well I didn't take, but over and all these are the complete 5 things. If you want to watch spring anime or summer anime, you can watch this. And with this, the summer anime season is coming to an end, and we are hoping for a good fall 2021 anime season. I hope there are some good animes, and obviously there is going to be, but I will bring them to you when the fall ends. So yeah, until then.